I'm David. Welcome to Wiki. Today I'm going to show you activity that you can decorate on your school supplies. This activity is called Decor Crazy. The supplies for this Decor Crazy activity is wax paper. I know, it's not crazy. Scissors, glue stick, Sharpie, and black tape. So this is all the supplies. Now, the first step is we need to put the black tape. Now we need to put tape anywhere you want on the wax paper. I'll put it in here. It's like a man with no eyes. Crazy. Everything is crazy here. Now we need to cut the waste wax paper. The outside wax paper. Okay. Crazy. Now we need to draw with a Sharpie something weird or crazy. Let's see what is something weird or crazy. What thing would I go up with mostly every man? Wait. Mustaches! Mustaches are crazy! Yeah! Let's draw a mustache. Then this one. Okay, this is my crazy mustache. It's not so crazy. But crazy cutting, right? Everything is crazy. Okay. Oh no, I just cut it in the part. I just cut it in part. Oh, yeah. Got it. Yes. I'm an artist. I'm a crazy artist. Well, I want to be a scientist when I grow up. Yeah. And and then. Ow! I cut in my finger. Crazy day. Oh, how is it bigger? Never mind. It's not important for us now. Now, I did it. Only a maximum size. So you can decorate it anywhere, like in your chair. Wait, that's not gonna happen. In your desk, maybe. Anywhere that can fit it. Now my choice is the notebook for my school. So let's stick it up. My wrist hurts. Okay. So, surprise, surprise, surprise. Ta-da! Mini mustaches and a one big mustache. This is the parent mustache. This is the children mustaches. Whatever. So, this is the end of the crazy deco crazy activity. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Robot Dance. Bye-bye.